Welcome back to the vlog, guys. This is week 3 of my YourShot Sydney journey. We have a lot of few things packed into this vlog, and you have to excuse me, I am a little bit sick, so my voice probably sounds a little bit crazy. But basically we have our week 3 meeting, which we have these fortnightly. We are having one of the amazing bookers from, I think it's Untitled, the booking touring brand, coming to speak for us, and I'm so excited to learn from industry people, and I think it's just amazing that YourShot's giving us the opportunity to listen to him. So I'll do a little bit of that, and I'm sure we're gonna get some food while we're there, and I think we also get our tickets for the show. So basically, as any DJ does, we gotta sell some tickets for people to come watch us play. So we're gonna get tickets hard copy, and we'll get a code to sell tickets online. So I think that's officially getting all organized today. Later on in the week, you'll probably see me go to Selecta Studios, and that's honestly kudos to Selecta Studios, because they've created this space for DJs where basically you can go and use, I think it's 4 rooms. One's like a vinyl room, one's like a warehouse room, the other ones are different. I can't really remember, one's like red, one's blue. But basically you can go in there and film content, practice DJing, practice using equipment that different venues use. And I have personally never used these kind of decks before. I've always used my FLX 400 and the ones that we use for the competition, which are RX3s. I've never used a deck with 4 channels before, so I'm assuming I'm gonna be really confused, and obviously I'm still a baby DJ, so it's probably gonna sound, but it is good to get out there, it's good to practice. I'm meeting some new people from, I think they're also part of our group, but they could also be 2 girls from group 1 and I'm in group 2, so I'm not entirely sure. But I'm excited to get some content. I'm excited to kind of go back to back with some of my friends. And yeah, and then obviously I'll have class and everything, but I'll bring you guys along with everything, and I hope you enjoy the vlog. Bye.
The first good party I threw there had the
infrastructure to the point where you actually ferry people, but you buff people.
understanding kind of like where you fit in the market, understanding that you want to be playing amongst like-minded talent, and making sure that your positioning is right. I would also say
Get your tacos! Ah! Get it, girls! Hi! Hi! Good new video. I'm from England. Taking video of this. Thank you! 2, 1, cheers!
Please mute the audio.
Exploration of space.
Fucking lag. I don't know what I'm doing. Woo! Oh. How do I go back and do that again? I want to see shit go up, shit go up. So I've ended up buying this mat because, oh my gosh, it's so soft and comfy for my wrists. And also, this is the new Peaches here in Bondi. I'm so obsessed. I haven't been here since the renovation. It's so nice. So cute. Anyway, let's go home because I've got to go do some DJing.
I got the hearts for you.
Oh!
Guys, wait, I'm hot. You get on.
I know, let me turn this down more.
Can I try my finisher?
Yeah,
You go.
yeah, sure.
Because it's like 2 songs.
I need a drink.
Oh shit. Right. Okay, I'll take him with both of them.
So I can't go by feeling.
Right, now I'm left on my right.
Hot style, hot style, hot style. Oh!
Lad,
It's not very.
Go, lad.
What the hell?
What's your phone?
So you guys
your own markers.
You guys run it. It's like red and then I've seen a different colour.
No, so that one has. So at the moment,
Wait, can we look at any of them while they were saying it?
someone is. Someone that those two.
Oh my god.
This is the one.
That is so nice.
Two screens really scare me. I'm like, I wouldn't know what's going on.
Which one?
Go on. Go on, dolls. Go on. Go on, Fred. Go on, Fred again.
I'll see if I.
Actually, topless in there, you look great.
Aww, so cute. So we're heading in. Week 3.
Right, this is just.
Hi.
Hi! Yeah, I'm glad I won that show.
Yeah. Hi, Tiger Lily. Missed you. Are we going on the same ones?
Welcome.
You like in the headphones, beat matching it. Are you adjusting the EQ while you're listening?
Great
before
question.
You, like, the audience?
So when you're beat matching out of the headphones, because the audience doesn't hear that, you can do whatever you want. If you need, and I usually do need all of it at 12 o'clock at its original, so that you have a reference point in the headphones. Especially in some of these intros where there's not much happening yet. Sometimes it is just like a kick and a clap or a kick and a hi-hat. And so you can hear that there's like a little, so a kick isn't all in the low end. It is still mid-range elements of one instrument. I don't know when, but I know I'm going to use this intro phrase for my beat matching. Kind of got a bit of a runway here, so let's just try some stuff out. So that was a new phrase. I'm going to bring this up just so we can hear it. Okay, we can hear that. New phrase about to start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'd probably be doing that under the headphone, or definitely under the headphones. Cool, so let's bring that back down. I'm gonna do that default cut, like that. And then you'll notice if I bring it up, there's not much actually audio coming through. It's still mostly that ozone track. If I bring it down, you'll hear that's all that's coming through. So there's not that much space that it's clashing with. I might start cutting a bit of mid here just to really give it a pocket, but I'm not clashing any of the any of the bass levels. You can start hearing a bit of wop if I compete with them. You can hear wop coming from Thunderstorm. I kind of want, this is like, I kind of want to hear the Thunderstorm more now. And now I'm going to do a bass swap in time for that drop.
The bass swap. Let's talk about that.
So I've never had any kick clashing, even though we used the kick as our own metronome. And that's going to just fade out nicely. I don't have to touch anything else. Your shot, are you ready?
Wow.
I think if you
Should we put the aircon back on?
Yeah.
Would it be too cold if you put the aircon on?
No.
This is alright.
yeah, someone asked me to turn it off before.
Yeah.
You can turn it on.
Would it be too cold or not? No, would you be too cold if you put it on?
Can you change it so it's like,
Yeah.
Probably not.
That's the best.
you can probably do like high, mid,
So it's not right in the head.
Yeah,
Do
yeah.
that.
Just EQ.
Just EQ the aircon.
let's hear us when you're.
That's the swing.
So I'm kind of
Where's the swing? I think it's.
I don't know, but that's really cool. I'm trying to zoom. Hi! Hi, honey's! We're gonna dinner with the girlies! There's this one guy just now who looked exactly like Jacob Elordi. And I'm like, was that him or not? Okay, so we found this spot here. I'm just gonna sit down, have a little drinky poos. Okay guys, I'm actually gonna end the vlog here because I'm actually exhausted and we're out to dinner and I kind of just want to like chill out. This bathroom is so cute. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.